नमस्कार स्टूडेंट। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 12th कॉमर्स इंग्लिश मीडियम OCM गाला पेपर सॉल्यूशन थर्ड करने वाले हैं। सेक्शन ए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन आर टेकन एट टॉप लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट? पॉलिसी रिलेटेड डिसीजन आर टेकन एट द टॉप लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, who said that you save your employees will save your everything? Professor Urvika. Third question, planning is related to future. Fourth one, which organization is shadow of formal organization? Informal organization is a shadow of formal organization. Fifth one, in which type of organization work is given more importance than department? Functional level organization is given more important than department. Sixth one, employees are blanks for business. Employees are invaluable assets for business. Seventh one, process of procurement at the right time in a right number for appropriate position and persons with right qualification means recruitment. Eighth question, in which year Abraham Maslow principle of hierarchy of needs was presented? In 1943. Ninth question, which of following is related to the financial incentive? Promotion. 10th one, what should be done when the organization obtain better result than setting standard? B, improving and setting higher standards. 11th one, capital structure having proper ratio of equity and debt, it means optimum capital structure. 12th question, what is the need of working capital in business organization? A, for routine management. 13th question, from whom certificate of registration is to be obtained by a depository before starting its operation? SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. 14th, when did Reserve Bank of India issue first commercial paper? In 1990. 15th one, in marketing management, blank is at the center, customer. 16th one, which of the following is the functions of marketing manager? Market segmentation. 17th question, 17, the most of the consumer institution working voluntary are the member of which institution? CCC institution. When was the Consumer Protection Act passed? Consumer Protection Act passed in the year 1986. 19th question, with which consumer protection organizational setup Ahmedabad is connected? A, Consumer Education and Research Center. 20th, which of the following options is not included in the benefit of privatization? Exploitation of employees. Thank you children. Like, subscribe and comment in our channel.